At this time, I would like to recognize the students receiving the Cessna 3.75 Scholar Award. These students have earned a cumulative grade point average of 3.75 or above for their high school career, ranking them as the top students in the class of 2024. Students, when your name is called, please stand and face the audience and remain standing so that you may be recognized for your academic excellence. Members of the audience, I ask that you please hold your applause until all students have been identified. Delaney Bargfried, Keegan Hissler, Briar Klaber, Bonnie Norenberg, Jillian Simmons, Jesse Crutcher, Cody Sizer, Xeri Casillas, Jolia Stewart, Kiara Tigner, Claire Bailey, Nalani Bokum, Ellie Weinshank, Shaylin McKee, Adeline Tesdahl, and Jaden Elledge. A round of applause.